What's good? What's good? Today is July 18th, and this is the recap on today. We got absolutely beamed, stopped out in about 5 seconds. So, this is the breakdown on the trade that I took today. So, off New York session open, the market opens. Let's restart this video because that was fucking terrible. Yo, what's good, everyone? Today is July 18th. We got stopped out in about 5 seconds today. Took a loss, and today, that's terrible. Yo, what's good, everyone? Today is July 18th. Got stopped out in about 5 seconds today. So here's the breakdown on the trade that I took today. Off New York session open, price is pretty choppy. We did have orange folder news at 10 a.m., so waited for that to come out. We created a really nice data high here. These were also equal highs with this high right here, which is a super strong draw on liquidity. So data highs are super strong draw on liquidity, and then obviously on top of that, they're equal highs. So even better, right? We also have some internal highs right here that are also equal highs. And I took a 2-minute long, but I'll break down the confluences behind why I took this trade. So jumping into the 4-hour time frame here, we had a bullish 4-hour fair value gap that was right here. We also had a 4-hour low that was right here. So price comes down off New York session open. We sweep out these 4-hour lows, and we're also obviously delivering out of this. We're also delivering out of this bullish 4-hour fair value gap. So jumping into the 2-minute time frame, that is where I entered. We can see that we come down, sweep out these 4-hour lows. We're delivering out of the bullish 4-hour gap. We get great momentum through this 2-minute bearish fair value gap. I enter off of the inverse right here, and I plan to go break even at these internal highs here, and then obviously close my position at these data highs. But I got stopped out, and I kid you not, probably 5 seconds. It might be the fastest I've ever gotten stopped out, which sucks, obviously, but when you take good trades, you can't be mad at that. You can only, control the things that you can control the things that you can control. Take good trades, follow your plan, and be disciplined. Log off after a loss, and that's what I did here. So we did have a 3-minute. So we had a 3-minute bearish gap above that didn't inverse. I typically like to wait for the highest time frame gap to inverse. In this situation, I was just so confident in this trade playing out that I didn't wait for that. There was also a 4-minute gap that price came into and rejected out of, but to be honest, I don't even look at the 4-minute time frame, so I didn't see that until afterward. But I'd take this trade 10 times out of 10, and it will probably play out 9 times out of 10. Just today wasn't our day, is what it is. We'll bounce back, be back better next week. And I hope everyone has a great weekend. And yeah, be back next week with more trade recaps. Peace.